I was born in a village in Minas Gerais, Brazil. My childhood was very poor, and my parents had to work on plantations to raise 7 kids. We didn't have money, but I had a happy childhood. I consider myself rich because I was healthy and had food to eat, and my parents were honorable people that taught me good values that I still follow nowadays. I had a goal of achieving the American dream, but I confess it wasn't easy. I had to work in minimum wage jobs for a long time. When I was 17 years old, looking for better opportunities, I moved to the US to live with my older brothers. I noticed the barber industry was changing and the modern man was demanding more from us as a professional barber, and I always had this dream that offer something exclusive, something unique for our clients, a place like a man cave where the man could go get a haircut, hot towel shave, drink a beer, play pool, get a tattoo. This concept of barbershop, it didn't exist years ago.
Aí, chegou!
I want to congratulate all of you. You all deserve, and a round of applause for yourself, okay? So, being a barber is not just cutting hair anymore. Being a barber is much more than that nowadays. Okay, it's not just about knowing a technique and putting hair down. It's to know how to take a good picture. It's to know how to communicate. It's to know how to give the best to your client, give excellent service to your client.
Start to love inspirational people like Bossio, Vic Blends, Tico, people like that. Like when I see their passion for cutting hair, I could see in the energy that they have. And
Woo! Woo!
Are those the guys right there?
You're right there, Bird.
Oh, congratulations, everyone.
Wow, Bird. We're here, they're quiet, they're shy right now.
Well, make sure you guys keep an open mind and learn as much as you can.
Thanks, Bird.
We
will.
I'm glad you called.
Thank you so much. Make sure you guys have a good time and learn as much as you can. Tico's the greatest.
Scholarship means everything. I've looked up to Wall since I was a child. I had my first pair of clippers from Walmart that were Wall and Conair. So once I found out that Tico was inviting me out here, I jumped at the chance to do it. I didn't care if it took, like you said, sleeping on the side of the street or flying across the world to get here. It was definitely worth it. I would love to do anything that has to do with hair.
Guys, this is the first week and I'm so excited with these guys here. We are working together and making sure they're going to be good, right, Derek?
Yes, Tico.
Hands are free. Yeah, that's perfect there.
Sure.
Mm-hmm.
My dad, he kind of taught me like nothing is free and it's better when we work for it instead of people handing it to us. I would say he teach me how to fish instead of him giving me the fish.
The most important thing I learned was the passion for it. I feel like when I came, I was getting a little down on myself, and Tico reignited my passion with his positivity and sticking with us, being by our side all the time and working us through our different problems with fading and shears, and just his overall personality helped me reignite my passion to cut hair also. My plans are to be the best barber I can and to make an impact on as much people's lives as I can, like Tico.
Most important thing I learned was scissor work. So proper sectioning and where to put the hair on the head and how to cut it was very important to me. My plans are to go back to Colorado and take everything I learned in the course and implement it and be very sound and structured with my techniques.
First thing first, I'm happy for you guys here tonight, you guys graduating. I'm very happy. And I would like to thank you guys for the opportunity for being here with me for 4 weeks. And I would like to thank all our clients that supported and helped us donating the mannequin heads. And I would like to thank my boy and friend Sharp Fade, Birdman from Sharp Fade. Thank you for believing in me and in this project. Wall Clippers, they donate the kits with all tools.
When we chose you guys, we understood that this was not an opportunity that we were giving you, but you were giving us to teach something, to plan something. And we definitely know that in the future you will harvest. And in a matter of how you water it, it will produce fruit, and it will definitely touch other people's lives. When you are in a position of the barber, you are in a position of the doctor. When you touch somebody, they trust you. They trust that you're gonna do the right job, but it's not only about the haircut. They trust you because with your hands, you're touching their lives, their hearts. And in the place where I stand right there behind my client, I get to their ears and I get to their minds. And some of them have come sad, desperate, depressed, anxious, but then the words that we transmit to them can change their lives. And that's a position you guys are gonna have. That's the opportunity you really have. It's not to cut their hair, but it's to touch their lives. So don't stop touching lives.
Looking back now, this scholarship was one of the most important moments in my career. I was there thinking that I was teaching 7 people, I was helping them, helping 7 students, preparing them to the barber field. But I truly believe there was a gift to me as well. I was there learning from them, learning from their story. Now I know for a fact this is my mission. This is what I want to do for the rest of my life. Barbering gave me everything I have, things that I never thought was possible before. Barbering made me who I am, but also Barber changed my life and can change yours too.